Leaving out how we got into the crossing, we'll just continue the plays from the crossing itself. And the third play is a situation where it makes sense for me to enter on the outside. So I'm assuming, this is not in the text, that there is sufficient strength coming from Jessica that her outside line is open. So I will enter, control her sword hand, and smack her in the face with the pommel. So from the crossing. And this control of the sword hand, I'm not pushing her away or anything, I'm just making sure that as I strike her in the face with the pommel, she can't very well do anything with her sword. As a lefty, you can do similar things. So let's say you're striking from your left side and I'm here. If that side is open, I'll enter in, control the sword hand like so. And it works just fine. So if we're here, with the cross on this side, she gives me the pressure, she's controlled the line, so I'm just going to enter, control, and strike. Easy peasy. If she is on her dominant side, I'm on my non-dominant side, and she's controlling that line, now it looks even more like the book. So it works either way. The key is the entry you're looking for a sensible thing to do given the relationship of the blades?